Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unveil the hidden secrets of Nothing Phone 2. Back in Feb, Nothing CEO confirmed that a Snapdragon 8 series chip would power the Nothing Phone 2, but it did not reveal if it was an existing chip or one that would be launched in the future. Qualcomm in a social media post said it would be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, but the post was later edited to remove the mention of that chip. However, we have now got final confirmation that Nothing Phone 2 will have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. But the question is, who confirmed it? The confirmation comes from Nothing founder Carl Pei on Twitter, where he also revealed the reason behind choosing the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Pei said the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset will bring a performance boost, but it is not just about speed, it is about the complete package. Since opting for Snapdragon 8 series rather than 7 series brings significant improvements across the board, including battery life, network connectivity and camera capabilities. Pei also said that the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 was chosen for Nothing Phone 2 because it is best in class when it's come to power consumption and heat management. Plus, it ensures that Nothing Phone 2 remains accessible while delivering a significant improved experience compared to Nothing Phone 1. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is an old chip, and going with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 would have increased the phone price, so this was the reason Nothing opted for Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. Other than the chipset, Nothing has not confirmed any other specs or features for the Nothing Phone 2. So what do you think about Nothing Phone 2? Please let me know in the comment box. And we also shared very amazing upgrades about OnePlus 12. You can check out that video as well, and at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.